Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater trade-in. This one is a 2000 115 Evinrude Ficht. This is a 20-inch shaft remote. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. I don't have any information on it yet. It is a fresh trade-in. We will go through it. New impeller, new spark plugs, fuel system, everything like that, just like every one of our motors. Go ahead and give it a second here to warm up. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it in gear. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. Good. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888. Thank you and have a great day.